This is how to place a futures or derivative trade on Bybit. So open your Bybit app like this. On the home page, go to trade, then make sure it is on futures. If you have it on sports, move it to futures, then check the signal. You see the signal like this. So the pair is Zen USDT. So come back here, click on this, then search for Zen USDT. Make sure you select this particular one, USDT Perpetual. Make sure it is USDT Perpetual. Then click on it. Then the leverage is 20x. Make sure it is 20x leverage. So you can see I've already selected it, that's why. So make sure it is on cross margin. Make sure it is on cross. We have isolated margin, we have cross, and then portfolio margin. Make sure you select cross margin. Then limit. This is a limit order. Make sure it is on limit, not market. Make sure it's on limit. That is all. You want to set the target price as you want to. The target price you want the order to be triggered. Then go back to the signal. So the entry price, this is where you put your entry price. This is where you put your entry price. That's order price 9.05035. 9.05035. 9.05035. And then order value. To get this order value, you times the amount you are using to enter the trade by your leverage. Let's say you are using $5, you want to use $5 to enter this trade. You are risking $5 to enter this particular trade. Then 5 times 20 will give you 100. That's your order value, as you can see. If you go ahead and place this trade, it costs you about 5 USDT. That's $5. Then TP/SL. TP means take profits, SL means stop loss. So click here, then set your TP and SL. Then you see something like this. If it's a long position like this trade, it's a long position trade, make sure it will be on long. If it is a short position trade, make sure it is on short. So you can see this signal is a long position. Make sure it's on long. Then come back to the signal. So you can see targets in USDT. That's your take profit targets. What you do here, you put the last take profit, this number 8 here, 10.136. You put it here, 10.136. Then you set up your stop loss. The stop loss is 8.724. 8.724. That's your stop loss. Then click on confirm. Then go ahead and buy long. Go ahead and buy long. There's no money on this particular account, that's why it's showing that notification. So before you place a trade, make sure you have some amount of USDT on your unified trading account. If you don't have any amount there, go back to your assets, then click on transfer from your funding to unified trading account, so you can be able to place the trade. Once the trade starts running, then you can go ahead and take partial positions on this order take profits level. So that's how to place a futures or derivative trade.